Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but today's video is super exciting. I will be doing an unboxing and review on Sunflower Jewels, which is a company that sells jewelry and other accessories and little gifts and things that I think are so cute. So I'm so excited to be partnering with them. I also have a little coupon code that you can use. It's Sophia30. I'll leave it on the screen here for a little bit. That is going to get you 30% off, and I think that's a really great deal, and I think that you guys will really enjoy the things on the website because they have really cute stuff, and I'm so excited to see what they sent me. I don't know. They did gift me these products in exchange for the video, and I'm so excited to unbox these and be able to use them for myself, but also showcase them on my channel for you. So let's get started with the video. But the box looks like this. It's honestly so cute. Also, excuse my nails, they broke off the other day, so we're going bare nails right now. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's this really pretty pale blue color, and the font is super cute, very on trend, and just this brand is just very trendy with their, you know, aesthetic. So I love that. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So here is what it looks like when I open it. I'm gonna take everything out. Everything comes in these cute little silk satin mini pouches that say Sunflower Jewels on them. And I'm super excited because I see 3 here. So I get to show you guys 3 different pouches, and I see something else that's bigger, and it's this. But first I want to get through everything in the box, which there is 2 more things. This little card and these stickers, which are really cute. I'll go through them in a second. This is the card that came with my order. So that's what it looks like, and some other stuff on their website. It says, "Hey love, thank you so much for accepting to collab with @Sunflower Jewels. We hope you like your new items. Have a beautiful and blessed day. If you have any questions, please contact us on IG @Sunflower Jewels and follow us on our social media. Their Instagram is @Sunflower Jewels, and their TikTok is @TheSunflowerJewels. So yeah, there's just one little difference, that their TikTok is TheSunflower Jewels. But yeah, so that's super sweet. I really love that card, and I'm really thankful for them. So that was super sweet. Then I got this little sticker sheet, super cute. Lots of really cute stickers on here. I don't care, ugh, I need my space, daydreaming princess, you're cute, no bad days, I love you, Sunflower Jewels, can you not, I love you, so cute. Very, again, on trend. I love the aesthetic of the company. It's really cute and pink and fun and just really pretty. So yeah, so this thing I've seen on TikTok. It's one of those little octopus, emotion octopuses, and I saw this on their website. You can get them on there, of course. And this is what it looks like when it's happy. It's pink and happy, and then you can reverse it to this like angry sad face one, which I think is really funny and cute and quirky. So yeah, just a cute little octopus. Thank you so much, Sunflower Jewels, for sending this over. I love it. It's so cute, and it also feels super snuggly, so that'll be really cute to put in my room. But yeah, you can get that on there, and it's like the cutest thing because they have jewelry, but they also have like jewelry for gifting, like little best friend things, and they have like keychains and memory film with photos, just a lot of cute stuff. And I'll try to link everything down below that I got with myself, but also link the website so you guys can go and browse everything on there. I'm gonna go through the first pouch here. This one's like very flat. There's like a little bag in here. So let's go through this first. Looks like earrings, which I love. I literally wear earrings all the time, and I also see that they're gold, which is literally perfect for me because I only wear gold most of the time. I still love silver, but I literally wear gold all the time, so this is perfect for me. It says Sunflower Jewels on there, and this is what the earrings look like. Let's open them up, and honestly, I'm gonna put them on because I don't have any earrings on. I kind of anticipated trying some of this stuff on, so I kept myself bare and ready for wearing some of this stuff. So these are what the earrings look like. Super cute. These kind of like I don't know how to explain it, like spiral maybe. I don't know how to explain this. But so cute and gold, and I love them because they're like long, so they'll definitely make a statement on the ears. So this is really cute. I'm in love already. I literally love these. Like, I literally have nothing bad to say right now because they honestly have really cute stuff. I was browsing and I just saw all this fun and aesthetically pleasing stuff, and I think that that's what people look like or look for in a brand. And like, this stuff is cute. Like, there's honestly not much to say other than that it's cute, and I'm really satisfied. And I think their customer service for me was just so sweet. They reached out to me, but they were also really sweet and really helpful. So yeah, so that's what they look like on. They're very cute and very fun earrings. I'm gonna keep them on for the rest of the video because they're so cute. So very cute, love them. Now I'm gonna go on to the next little pouch here, and this one is another gold thing. Super cute, super fun. This is another gold thing, and I'm honestly curious to know how they know that I love gold so much. Wow. So there is a butterfly in there as well, which if you guys know me, you know how much I love butterflies and the meaning of why I love them so much and everything, which I think I've talked about in a video before. But yeah, I literally love butterflies. So I see one right now and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so I think this is a bracelet or an anklet, but I'm gonna wear it as a bracelet just because I think it's too cute to be like not really seen that well. But it looks like this. It has a little butterfly on it, super cute. My hand is like shaking. I always shake, so sorry. I have like tremors. I'm not kidding, like I literally have tremors. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I hope that this is focusing. Super cute, lovely bracelet. I'm gonna need assistance putting this on, so I will be putting it on later and showing it off in the video. But again, so cute, so cute. Lovely little bracelet, anklet thing, and I'm so excited about it. I literally love it. It's so cute. And it makes a statement too, so it'll definitely be like a statement piece where people can see like a pretty charm on the bracelet and not just like a chain. So that's cute. All right, and then the last thing that I have in this pouch is silver. Yay! So I'll have something silver to wear. Now that I have so much gold, I can incorporate more silver into my day-to-day jewelry. And I see two little rings in here, so that's super cute. Let's open them up. And there's also a separate bag for each of the rings, so that's cute too, that they protect each of the rings. And like, I think that that's so that they won't get scratched while rubbing up against each other, so I think that's cute. They thought of everything. They literally thought of everything. So props to Sunflower Jewels. I also see that these are adjustable, and adjustable rings are it for me because I have fat fingers. So that's really great. Oh, okay, these are so cute. These have a sun and a moon on them. Wow, that's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, there you go. That is so adorable. I love that. Okay, so I think you can use them as like midi rings as well, which I think I would probably use one of them as a midi ring and then the other one as like a regular ring. There they are on. So cute, literally so cute. Oh my gosh, these are cute. They're definitely adjustable. You have to kind of adjust them pretty harshly. Not harshly, but like hard. So they're not gonna like close up on you, which is also great. So yeah, cute, super cute. I love these. I'm gonna wear these all the time because I love the moon and the sun. I think that's such a cute combo. I also just put it on my ring finger, there you go. And then I'll put this one here. Super cute. I think these are meant to have like the midi ring, but if you have smaller fingers, then you could definitely use this one as a ring. Again, it's adjustable though, so I could even use it as a ring if I wanted to. I just need to open it up more, but there we go, opened it up more and it's literally a ring now. So that's cute, so cute. I love this. This is the cutest stuff, and I'm really pleased with this brand, and this is honestly way more than I even anticipated. I didn't even anticipate getting like multiple things. I anticipated getting one thing, but I got this, the rings, the jewelry, earrings, and the bracelet. So I am so thankful to Sunflower Jewels. I'll be wearing these all the time, and I'm super excited to show them off to my friends and to everyone because they are literally so cute. So thank you so much, Sunflower Jewels, for sponsoring this video and sending over these products and sending over a discount code. Again, it's Sophia30 with an F, SOFIA 30. So you can use that on the website, and let me know whatever you get, because I'm super interested in seeing what people end up buying and purchasing on Sunflower Jewels from my part. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I am super thankful for everyone watching this video and for watching my channel and giving me these opportunities, because I wouldn't have this opportunity if it wasn't for my subscribers. So again, thank you, and again, thank you, Sunflower Jewels, for this beautiful jewelry. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, week, night, year, life, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!